Hello love bugs, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and I am going to start making a swirly shape on this nail. And while I do that, let's celebrate a tiny bit, because guys, we hit 500 subscribers yesterday. I am just so excited and grateful. You guys are the best, and it's taken a really long time to get here, but I'm so excited. So we hit it yesterday, 500 subscribers. That means a giveaway is coming, and I'm going to tell you about that giveaway on Tuesday. So definitely be sure to be here on Tuesday for some giveaway updates. So we're just about finished here with this shape. It's just a very swirly, abstract, almost drippy, a spill paint sort of a look. I wasn't thinking about anything in particular, except I like the swirly idea. I've seen a few sets out there lately that had a swirly feeling to them, and that's what I wanted to emulate, just that feeling of movement and softness, right? So we're using this really pretty purple and this gorgeous darker pink. The purple's kind of a lilac shade almost, but maybe a little bit deeper than that. Not quite a medium, like a medium lavender maybe. I don't know, lilac. I think lilac. What would you call this? Let me know below. Let me know below. I had so much fun creating this set, you guys. Now we're coming in with our third color. You could just paint the whole nail with this yellow and then make the other colors on top of it. And I almost did that, but I know, just based on how color works, that it's going to change the color of anything you put on top of it. So I decided to challenge myself a little bit, and it was a challenge to get all the shapes right and to get everything done correctly. But I finally did get it. Plus we've got another treatment coming, that any mistakes that you made that don't make you happy, you're going to be able to fix them. So don't worry. Now you've probably noticed that we're only showing the thumbnail today. There's reasons for that. First of all, this set took a long time. I'm not even going to get into how long this took. But the real reason, because I could have layered in a few, here's a little of this nail and a little of that nail. But what had happened was, like you do, you need to get up for a second, and I needed to get up and do something. And so I paused the camera, and when I came back, I just kept working, and I didn't unpause the camera for a minute. And so some of the footage wasn't there. And I was like, let's focus on the nail we have complete footage of. And that was this thumbnail. So that's why you're getting that. Now we're putting down a blooming gel on top of the whole nail. Oopsies. On top of the whole nail, but I'm only going to put the dots in the yellow. It's hard to get blooming gel to do what regular gel does, so I just painted the whole nail to make it easier on myself. Now we're going to outline that purple and that pink with black. And I like the look of this a lot, and I honestly almost left it black because it gives it a very pop art vibe, which makes me want to do a pop art set. I'm going to put that on the calendar soon because I really love those. So I'll figure something cool out to do, something summery, right? But we're not going to just do the black. As you can see, I got something else sitting over there. And I go back and forth in my mind about it because I like how the set ended up in the end. I really love that deep tealy green, but I also really like how just the black looks. But that's okay. If we do something pop art soon, then I'll get that out of my system as well, and everything will be fine. This is how I had imagined it in the beginning, and I just stuck with my vision, because look at that. It's really pretty, guys. I like it a lot. This is a very fast rendition of top coat. But as you can see, we have a full set here, and I'm going to give you some reveals. Thank you guys so much for watching. Giveaway is coming on Tuesday. I love you guys to pieces. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comment section, and we're going to see you next time. Mwah! Bye-bye.